Hi, beautiful souls. How are you today? I'm Irene. My name is Peace, for those of you who don't know me, and I bring you more peace, health, joy, happiness, and holy good blessings all over the globe, wherever you are. And I'm a life coach and a psychologist, and I offer positive parenting teaching and positive psychology teaching for everyone, all ages, and in 3 languages: English, French, and Greek. I come from Greece, grace of God. Greece means grace. And today I want to talk to you about the importance of positive parenting, because I have there are so many people all over the globe, like cases of people who were having trauma, like traumatic experiences, pain from abandonment, wounds. They were feeling abandoned, or they had some and actually, let me know if you had a negative experience in your family with your parents. You were feeling abandoned, or not heard, or not loved enough for who you were, or you needed to change or dim your light in order to fit in because you were not fully expressed. And if you were fully expressed, you had maybe some negative experiences. And that's to tell you, because I don't blame parents, and you shouldn't blame your parents, because the parents did everything they could from what they knew. So don't blame the parents, forgive them. You just need to focus on your healing, and all your wounds are healing now. So don't worry about it. Don't just break like start yelling or something to your parents, but you can acknowledge your response and put a protection or shield of light. And I wish you to have a shield of light all over the globe, protecting us from any bad energy, any toxic behaviors, and any toxic people. And actually, what do I mean by toxic? Because they use it a lot, but what is it? Actually, someone who doesn't have altruistic pure love, so they're jealous, or when something very good happens, they don't feel good. So they don't wish you, like, for all the blessings, you are the best. Like they want maybe some attention from you, or they want a different person and a different version of you, or the past version of you that you're no longer that. And anything that is not altruistic love, basically. That's what we mean by toxic people who were jealous, or had the gossip, all the negative behaviors, or blaming you for something that you didn't do, or whatever. And remember that just shows their problems, and it's not your problem. So you don't have any problem, and just you need to heal all your wounds. If you have any pain, to let it go, to release it, not to carry it any longer. And worth, trust your worth, and value your peace. It's the most precious peace. Peace is the most precious all over the globe. And when we have inner peace also, we bring and reach heaven on earth, which is peaceful, healthy, joyful happiness, and positive abundance all the time, and good vibes. And not toxic people, not any jealousy, not anything unworthy of our energy. And positive parenting is all about recognizing what are the patterns that are no longer serving your highest good and your children's highest good, to release them, to positively change them, so you have the good behaviors and the good patterns and the good values and the good positive parenting, with positive psychology, positive pedagogy, and healthy mindset, healthy, clean, pure energy. Because there are 5 stages. The physical reality also have good habits that support positive, encouraging positive living with health, peace, joy, happiness, and internal and external, and also emotional, which means emotional health, emotional safety, freedom from past traumas, love, positive abundance of love, generosity, and kindness, and altruistic unconditional love, and to own our worth, and having the highest standards and not diminishing our light, especially women who break free now from any limiting past traumas of any hurtful relationships, any abuse, anything that was diminishing our feminine, highest good, sacred power, which is the creation, one with the holy God, goddess, peace, health, joy, happiness, and positive abundance. And this is very important for everyone to understand, because it's actually Holy Mother Mary, the mother of Jesus Christ, who has also the power to positively transform everything in the globe. And it's the source of all the goodness and protecting us from any evil. Protecting us from all evil. So remember that. And if you're a woman and you're watching that, you are also needing to teach highest good values. I offer one-to-one coaching and counseling for both women and men. Especially if you are men, you need coaching to heal also your wounds, because the masculine also had this idea, because he is naturally the provider, the protector, the leader. Leader is a woman. The man is actually the hypotis, which means the supporter. Yes, and he is created from the womb, the woman, and he needs also to give to the woman, provide for the woman, be a gentleman and a protector at the same time. So that had caused him also some traumas. The pain released now, all the pain. So it's also the healing that needs to take place from the inner child, the boy who wasn't maybe, who was scared, who doesn't have everything figured out, because he knows he has to be the man, the protector, and he has also still the pure heart. So you need also to embrace that and actually protect it and enlighten it and encourage it. So both the feminine and the masculine will feel safe in the union, and to have a healing light of love and protection. And that's actually a very good and important teaching I offer for those of you who want to have a better relationship with your inner child and with both the feminine, empower the feminine and heal the masculine, to connect, heal both actually, because you were carrying something probably from the past, and you want to release it if you want to improve your relationship with your inner self, with your inner strength, with your inner power, with your inner light, with your inner love, peace, health, joy. You can message me. I have an offer for positive psychology and couples. If you have a relationship and you want to just make it better so that you are healing in the same time with your spouse, your man, woman, partner. And I offer also one-to-one coaching personally, and as well as positive parenting if you are parents and you want to break free from any patterns and you don't want to repeat any mistakes of your parents, so that you have the best relationship and parenting style, so that you can bridge any gap between you and the positive abundance that you want. So, and yes, and instead of feeling guilt, just any toxic people, I will help you to release the emotional burden you had without necessarily breaking completely any not a relationship, but yes, you can heal it if you want, okay? And also place healthy boundaries when needed. So you can have still communication, but healthy communication. Healthier, happier, more peaceful. For your highest good. And for the highest good of all. Globally. Because when one is healed, actually we are one, so it's better also to treat others with respect and love and to heal all your wounds so that you have a better relationship with you. Union of God, Goddess, holy love, light and truth, peace, health, joy, happiness. Also, I have published the Glorious Bright Light, Love and Truth book. You can find it on the description on Amazon. Just type Glorious Bright Light, Love and Truth, which will help you amazingly in all areas of your being and life, because it's all about positive psychology, healing, wealth, well-being in all areas of being, not just physical, not just emotional, not just mental, not just energetic, not just spiritual, all levels of being. So just embrace it, love, light and truth. And you can message me for coaching. I offer one-to-one and group coaching sessions online wherever you are in the globe in 3 languages for now. I'm learning more. And it's Greek, English and French languages. So you can message me and I will see you soon. Also, just about positive parenting and pure love. And masculinity and femininity, because this is a powerful lesson for everyone to learn, that actually if you had some negative patterns in your family and you didn't actually feel and sense the pure unconditional altruistic love, some people, I'm not saying that this is for everyone, okay, take what resonates for the highest goods and leave the rest. And there were people who had actually troubles of recognizing themselves as woman or man because they didn't feel the unconditional altruistic love. And for example, a man, and this is again related to the healing power of Jesus Christ who talks within me right now, and you can have a friendly relationship with a man if you are a man, but not a sexual relationship if you are a man with another man. Just be friends and not confused, because there was a confusion regarding that. There were people who were just thinking that, okay, I love him. I mean, there is pure love, pure unconditional love everywhere, but that doesn't mean romantic or sexual love. Men, gentlemen, men, holy God's men, are good to be with a woman, are created to be with a woman, not with a man. So remember that and just embrace both your sides, like, because energy is both masculine and feminine, okay, in all of us, but we need to balance it. And that's why there was a distortion, because the people had been betrayed and didn't trust the masculine, the holy masculine. And there is a lot of healing going on, which is very, very positive right now in the globe. And the masculine wakes up, the feminine has already woken up, rise up, and we devote ourselves to our worth and our inner peace, health, wealth, joy, happiness, cultivating this internal heaven on earth, because we bring heaven on earth. And in alignment actually with love in us, we love also the holy masculine. That's how our world is created, through the balance of holy masculine and feminine. And any problem was due to the misbehavior of the masculine who didn't acknowledge that the queen of life and the heaven on earth is the woman. Well, there are many things also about parents and dynamics regarding maybe your family. So you can message me if you need healing. I'm offering family, couple, relationship coaching and positive parenting, healing and counseling for all of you who want to cut and break any curses from your family, break any negative patterns and start a better, healthier relationship with you and your partner, and you want to build the kindest, most blissful, peaceful, healthy, joyful, happiest kingdom of heaven on earth too, and have a healthy, blissful, peaceful, healthy, joyful relationship, you can message me to align you again with both the sacred feminine and the holy masculine, powerful and powerful holy union. With peace, Irini, my name, and love and wealth, joy, happiness, and perfect health, and holy good blessings. Mwah.